Have you ever encountered a situation where your data table becomes painfully slow when dealing with thousands or even millions of rows? The need to display data quickly becomes a challenge and performance issues arise. If you're looking for an effective solution to fix this, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll introduce a powerful approach to solve this problem. Let's dive into how you can immediately optimize your data tables. First, let's come to the problem to solve. Currently, I have 10,000 records of data, a table with head and body tags. You can see that when scrolling slowly, it still displays well. This is when I haven't used a third-party library. If I use MUI or another library, it will render even slower. I will scroll really fast and you see, it is completely white for a while. This is extremely bad for the user. How to solve this problem? Stay tuned. Here I also have 10,000 records similar to the previous code. I use window virtualizer of TanStack. I will leave the docs link below for your reference. This is the code when I use virtual. And see the result it brings. I scroll quickly and it doesn't flicker like before. It's amazing, right? I will show you what its element will look like. Let's go to the Inspect section. Here it only displays the elements that we are viewing on the window, not displaying other elements, which increases performance when scrolling. Scrolling to where it will render the element there, and hide the element that is not on the window we are viewing. Do you wonder why when using virtual I don't use table tags, but use div tags? The implementation avoids using and because the virtualized rendering strategy relies on flexbox-based layout rather than a traditional. Here's why. 1. Performance considerations. Using a table tag with TR and TD requires the browser to compute the table layout, which can become computationally expensive with a large number of rows. The virtualizer operates more efficiently with div elements styled using flex or absolute positioning. 2. Custom styling and flexibility. The virtualized rows use div elements to provide full control over layout and styling, e.g., flexbox alignment, padding, colors. Styling TD tag and TR tag often involves inheriting table-related behaviors, which might interfere with custom styling needs. 3. Simplified positioning. Virtualization relies on position. Absolute to position rows dynamically as the user scrolls. This is easier to achieve with div than with TR elements within a table tag. By now, you've seen how Virtual Table from TanStack can significantly improve the performance of your data tables, even when dealing with massive datasets. It's a simple yet powerful solution for developers facing the challenge of sluggish tables. While TanStack is the focus of this video, there are other great libraries worth exploring for similar use cases. Tools like React Window, React Virtual, and AG Grid also offer effective solutions for virtualizing large datasets. No matter which library you choose, the key is to find a tool that fits your project's specific needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.